Good morning, student. Today I will solve the practical question based on receipt and payments account. It means I will explain how to prepare receipt and payment account. I have explained the format of receipt and payment account in my previous video. This is my lecture number 54. So for this practical question, first we have to prepare format of receipt and payment account. Then I will solve the question. So let us see the format. This is format of receipt and payment account. I will write receipt and payment account of, it will be name related to club and hospital for the year ended, now date. This is DR side and it will be receipt amount, payments amount, and this will be CR side. Now first we have to see the question related to receipt and payment account. This is question: from the following particulars of Royal Club prepare receipt and payment account for the year ending 31st March 2020. Opening cash and bank balance is given 2,500. Subscription received, investment, purchase, donation, etc. are given. And we have to put all the item either in receipt side or payment side in income and expenditure account. So one by one I will put it. See the solution. First item is given opening cash and bank balance 2,500. So I will write to balance BD 2,500. Now subscription received. Any received will be shown in receipt side. So subscription will be 15,500. Now next point is investment purchase. It will be payment. So I will write by investment 10,000 rupees. Now next thing is donation 4,000. So donation received in receipt side, donation 4,000. Now next item is donation for building 20,000. So also it will shown in receipt side. Donation for building 20,000. Now rent paid 3,600. It will be payment rent 3,600. Sport material purchase, it will also be payment, so it will shown in payment side. Sport material amount is given 10,000. Now next point is honorarium paid, so it will be also payment honorarium rupees 4,000. Now next item is life membership fee. Life membership fee amount is given 6,000. So I will write in receipt side. It will be our capital receipt. Both the receipt, whether it is capital receipt or revenue receipt, will shown in receipt side, and whether it is capital expenditure or revenue expenditure, both the expenditure will shown in a payment side. So this is very simple, and this is also prepared on the basis of cash book. This is also similar to cash book. I have explained in my previous video difference between receipt and payment account and cash book. Now next thing is entrance fee. It will be our income. Entrance fee amount is given 4,000. Now sale of old newspaper. In this connection also cash is coming. So sale of newspaper, old newspaper, amount is given 1,200. Now books purchase, it will be payment side, amount is given 8,000. Now interest received on investment, so it will shown in receipt side. Interest on investment amount is given 1,000. Now next thing is salary. Salary will shown in payment side. Salary amount is given 12,000. Now printing and stationery, it will shown in payment side. Printing and stationery amount is 3,000. Now no item is given, so I will balance it, and balancing figure will be to balance by balance CD. Total of receipt side is more than payment side. So I will calculate total of receipt side. It will be for 54,200. I will also write in credit side 54,200. Now I will deduct all the payment from total receipt and it will be 3,600. So this is called remaining balance. Student, I will prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet from this receipt and payment account in this chapter. In this question, we have to prepare only receipt and payment account from this item. So this practical question has been solved. Now next point is also related to next question is also related to receipt and payment account. So see one more question based on receipt and payment account. For this purpose, first I will prepare the format of receipt and payment account as we have done. In receipt and payment account, all the receipt will shown in debit side and all the payment will shown in credit side, whether it is related to previous year, next year and current year. When cash is coming, it will shown in receipt side. When cash is going, it will shown in payment side. So let us see next problem. Question number 2 is prepare receipt and payment account of Diamond Sport Club for the year ending 31st March 2020. Opening cash balance 10,000, subscription received 20,200, including 1,200 for 18-19 and 2,000 for 2021. Salary paid at the rate of 1,500 per month up to June 2020. Furniture purchased 4,000, insurance 1,000 up to June 2020. Tournament fund rupees 9,000, tournament expenses rupees 7,500, life membership fee rupees 7,000 and sport material purchase 6,200 is given. Now one more point I have forget. First question I have solved. You can see receipt and payment account of I have prepared receipt and payment account of Royal Club and this was for the year ended 31st March 2020. Now for the question number 2, I will prepare format. First, this is question number 2, receipt and payments account of Diamond Sport Club. Diamond Sport Club. Diamond Sport Club for the year ending 31st March 2020. DR side, this is receipt side, rupees, and this is payment side, rupees, credit side. Now I will put all the item one by one in receipt side or payment side. So first, this is given opening cash balance, so it will be to balance BD 10,000 is given. Now question says subscription received 20,200 including 1,200 for 18-19 and 2,000 for 2021. So I will write subscription full amount 20,200, whether it is include 18-19, I have said whether it is related to previous year or past year, there is no problem. Only I have to record all the cash received during the year. So I will record total amount of subscription 20,200. Now salary paid at the rate of 1,500 per month. So up to June 2020. So I will write in payment side salary 1,500 into 15 because question says it is paid for June 2020 and I have to prepare 31st March 2020. So it will be paid for 15 months and total amount will be 22,500 because this has been paid for 15 months. So this is the twisted point in this question. Now next item is given furniture purchase 4,000. So this is also our payment and I will write in payment side furniture purchase. Amount is given 4,000. Now next point is insurance rupees 1,000 up to June 2020. So insurance will be also our payment. So insurance 1,000. You can say that, sir, salary paid 1,500 per month up to June, then you have taken 15 months, but in case of insurance it is also paid June up to June 2020, but you have only write 1,000. Student, there is not mention insurance is paid per month. Insurance is given one time in a year and up to for 1 year only. So it may be insurance paid by Diamond Sport Club in June 2019. So it will be covered up to June 2020. Now therefore I have written in payment side 1000 only. Now tournament fund 9000. It will be our receipt, so I will write tournament fund. Tournament fund is given 9000. Now tournament expenses will be our payment, so I will write tournament expenses 7500. Next item is given life membership fee 7000. It will be our capital receipt, so I will write in receipt side life membership fee. Amount is given 7000. And last item is sport material purchase 6200. So it will be our payment, and I will write in payment side sport material 6200. Now I will calculate balance. In this case also receipt side is more than payment side, and total of receipt side will be 46200, and in credit side I will also write 46200. Then I will deduct all the payment from 46200. So balance CD will be now 5000 only. So I will write 5000. So this is the solution of second question. Student, I have explained in my previous video about calculation of subscription fund based account etc. So both the topic will come in a next question according to your book. For example, fund based accounting I have explained about in my previous video. Fund based accounting, you can see my lecture number 53 for calculation of subscription and 52 for the fund based accounting. So you must watch the lecture 52, 53 and 54. Most of the practical problem has been solved in this video 52, 53 and 51. And I have also explained format of receipt and payment account, income and expenditure account in my video 51. So you must watch the video and learn more. Thank you. Thank you very much. I will meet you in next video with some new topic. Thank you.